everyone. Thank you for tuning in. I am your RJ Megan Fernandez. It is said that a DJ is not merely an artist who mixes two tracks together, but is someone who can transport an entire room filled with people to a state of euphoria, where one forgets all their pain and sorrow and unites dancing on the dance floor like there is no tomorrow. New Sound created a platform to showcase such talented artists who passionately each day play their tribute, showcasing their favorite music producers and labels on niche radio. I am super thrilled to be introducing each artist to you every Saturday and Sunday who will showcase their talent and compete for the New Sound Artist of the Year. Your votes on Facebook page could help them win this title, so ensure you vote. And now, let's meet our New Sound artist.
Hi, this is Shiv Patil, also known as Shiv. I'm a 26-year-old DJ and a music producer from Maharashtra. I started mixing songs as my hobby since 2016, but I professionally started DJing since 2018. I play progressive, melodic house and techno. My favorite artists are like Eric Prydz and Ben Bomber. I like them because of the production, the sound they produce, the melodious and progressive sounds they have in their sets as well. It's been really great me being a part of New Sound, and the total experience I'm getting, exposure I'm getting in this field is amazing. I'm meeting new artists, I'm getting in touch with producers, record labels, and everything is just amazing. Me being a part of niche radio, it feels totally awesome being on board. Also, my role is to showcase my music to people, show them what I actually love, producing, mixing. Also, this is a crazy experience being on board, having so many new followers, new listeners to my music. It's just great. For me, music is life. Music is everything. I start my day with music. I ended up with music. I keep listening to different genres, different styles of music. For me, every sound in nature is an instrument, and I feel really blessed that I'm an artist and I can produce music, I can showcase my music to people.